Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What is your name?
My name is John.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have siblings.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books.
Do you like travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
What day is today?
It is Sunday.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English, French and Italian.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken burger.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is banana.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play guitar.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
What's your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is rock.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dance.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is brownies.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is mango juice.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Can you ski?
Yes, I can.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to exercise.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Italian.
Do you have any regrets?
No, I don't have any regrets.
What's your favorite type of candy?
My favorite type of candy is Skittles.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, I like to watch sports.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite type of weather is sunny.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I love to sing.
What's your favorite beach activity?
My favorite beach activity is volleyball.
Do you believe in luck?
No, I don't believe in luck.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I like to read.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have many hobbies.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Do you like cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't believe in ghosts.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Thanks for watching. For more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.